G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here. Welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. We are back at the new car wash. For all of you who have been watching, I have a new car wash and it's renovation time. Day number 3, I think it is. I've been here more days than that, but day 3 of filming. We have Mr. Edwin.
Yeah, what's up guys?
What's up guys? So today we're gonna put in the bill acceptors in the bays. That's what I do at my other car washes and I love it because it alleviates pressure on the bill changer. If the bill changer goes down, doesn't matter, they can put them straight in the bays here. If there's a coin jam, you can keep the bay open and put the billing if they still want to pay cash, and of course credit card. So here is the housing of it. That is going to be the bill acceptor.
It's gonna go like that.
And it's going to go right there.
Boom.
And don't worry guys.
Just like that.
Don't worry.
And the other one right here too. So we're gonna weld them together.
It's all going to be welded in.
Yeah, it's gonna be just
And then I'm
like
going to put a big stainless steel plate over it. So there's zero chance of getting them out for all of those watching thinking, oh, they're just going to take them. Yeah, it ain't going to be that easy, folks. Sorry to break it to you.
Yeah.
Plus it ain't our first rodeo.
Let's get it started then.
Let's get it started then. But that's not the only thing I'm doing today. That's not the only thing we're doing. That's mainly what he's going to be doing. I'm going to be running some new hoses. How's that sound, Shorty?
New shorty. Okay. Yeah.
I'm going to be running some new hoses on the roof. It's cooled down a little bit. It's only going to be 92 today. And there it is. Like Christmas morning, brand new hoses. Wire braided. Very excited for that, 1/4 inch. These are the old ones. I'm going to take all this out and run the new ones in it. So enough talking, Joel. Let's get to it. Now you're probably thinking, why is he putting them on the left side, why not the right side? Well, if you look above, there's a blue pole that's right there and the bill acceptors will simply be sticking out way too fast. And you will see in upcoming videos how secure we make it. You will be surprised. Goodbye, old tire cleaner or whatever that was. Weird thing. Gone. Gone are the days. I'd say it's a sad day, but it's not. It's a happy day. So here it is. I'm up on the loft, the old tire cleaner system, which is gone. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take it all out. No reason for any of it. Maybe I'll keep the flow jet. We love flow jets. Done. Probably should have put a bucket there, but hey, I didn't think about it at the time. All the excess. All right, done. Damn, boy's making progress now. That's solid in there. Very cool. And this red hose, I like to see where the hoses run before I cut them. This red hose actually goes straight into the compressor. So they had a separate compressor just for the tire cleaner. So let's go ahead and unplug that. Ready? Oh, normally it's like, psh. Thought it would be exciting, but that was not much build up at all. Now these wires I have to keep because they're the ones coming from the bays, from the face plates. So we're gonna put these on the new low pressure system. So I gotta be careful to take these guys off. Just like that. And just like that, tire cleaner is off. Now who wants it? Almost there. Almost there.
A lot of shoulders.
Shoulder workout?
Yeah, look.
Good, you need it. Back on the roof, time to get the hoses off the roof and put the new ones in. Oh look, got me some PVC piping. I got the white one because they're 20 bucks each versus the black one, which is 80 bucks each. That's a big difference. I put a bit of white ones at my other car wash and it's perfectly fine, so it should be good. So these are the old tire cleaner hoses, and you can see the difference it makes obviously when it's through the PVC inside versus when it's not. So that's why I like to run it through the PVC, because it's going to keep it like this in pristine condition, and it's just going to last a whole lot longer. This is the tire cleaner that runs down to the bottom of the bay. So I'm gonna have to get this off here. So I need to get my nut remover. Yeah, I'm trying to pull it off. There we go. Take that off and put all new fittings because I don't like old fittings. Anyway, let me go get the tools. Completely stripped naked, ready for my new fittings to go on. I'm going to build the manifold, which the air and the liquid are going to combine into one hose. It's going to go onto here and then straight down into the tire cleaner wand, brush, hose, whatever. Ooh, this one's a little scary. It's close to the edge. Actually it is, I'm not joking. There it is, all the tire cleaner hose ready to be thrown down. Hopefully there's no one below. Man, well, tell the people what you did. Tell them how proud you are.
Tell the people?
Yeah, the people, the
Whoa.
viewers.
People, I make a hole.
You made a hole. Now jump in it.
Yeah.
Came out very nice. So now we're gonna put these two boxes in, welded back to back.
So we're gonna put a layer of cement here on top, welded to the coin acceptor faceplate.
And then weld a big metal bar over them.
Oh yeah, it's gonna go here.
But that's gonna be later on, finishing touches, but that's very nice, very cool. Good job.
Even, huh?
Yeah, even Steven,
Yep.
like us. So now I got all the old tire cleaner hoses off the roof. It's time to run the new hose. So I'm going to measure it out right now. I'm going to pull it out. I need 2 per function. So 1 air, 1 liquid for the tire cleaner. So 2 of the same length for 1 bay. So it's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, total of 12 hoses for the tire cleaner. Let's get to it. So I've measured out bay 6. This is tire cleaner that can be liquid. It's 55 feet all the way along the roof and then down to the system inside. So that can be the liquid. This can be the air. It'll be the exact same length. Hungry? Lunchtime?
What time is it?
Time to get to work.
Terminator.
T1000.
Yeah. Machine doesn't eat.
That's all right, machine don't eat. All right, so there we go. Working non-stop. So there we go, bay 6 tire cleaner. 1 air, 1 liquid. Make sure you mark it. So all I put is TC6, that's tire cleaner 6. That's the same, tire cleaner 6. 1 air, 1 liquid. So beautiful. So this is where we're at so far. I ran bays 4, 5, and 6 tire cleaner through the PVC, and that's going to go down into there. And now I'm running 1, 2, and 3 this way. Gonna have to go retrieve it at the other end and pull it through. Almost there. Woo! So it's coming along. Super strong. Yeah, welded to the coin box. Welded to each other. We're going to concrete around here and then get a big stainless steel plate anchored to the concrete. So I mean, that's just ridiculous. So ridiculous. Maybe it's too strong. Let's take some welding away. It's too strong. Let's at least give him a chance.
Too strong?
Do you like your work? Are you happy with it?
Super happy. Very comfortable.
So now I have to make 18 manifolds. I've done 1, I got 17 to go. I'll probably do it at home. And there you have it. All right, back on the roof. The roof is on fire. Screw this in here like a transformer. have it. This is Tire Cleaner 5, air liquid, or liquid air, it doesn't matter. And then that's going to be running all the way inside there. Very cool. A little bit of hose in the sun, but I could probably cover that with whatever. No big deal. Wire braided, baby. All right, guys, here is the almost finished product. All we have to do is put the faceplate in, connect the wires for the bill acceptor to the bay, but this bay down is down anyway, so it doesn't matter. But we got it in, concreted in, welded in. Super, super nice. Do you like that? That's how old car washes do it. And then the one over here for bay 4 is done as well. Obviously we're going to paint it, it's going to look nice. Right now it looks a little messy, but we just concreted it. So there you have it. Bloody beauty, mate. All right, guys, we are done. Another 12-hour hard working day in the hot sun. You can see that we're all hot and bothered, but we're ready to get the hell out of here.
Back.
Terminator is done for the day.
Oh.
And
Terminator.
we're going to be back tomorrow. Very happy with what we got done today.
Yeah.
Good progress. Good work to you.
Good work to you too, bro.
Thanks for watching. See you all next time.